town full of fakes. I'm not afraid to be me.
It is gonna hit, but I just love.
Standing out is better than fitting in.
Never take my kindness for weakness. I may not be smart, but I'm pretty.
Happiness means never having to apologize for being me.
So why you get up for? Where you get up for? You think me can get up too?
Name one thing I'm gonna do behind your back.
So I'm to the party where they have. You know say me couldn't take Maya, and you still invite her at the party. You think me no know Shanté tell me everything?
It's a Shanté and a person no one Shanté say cause she a liar herself too.
So everybody's a liar, Shanté, Alia? Maybe you're the liar. I lie, me tell you, never bring Maya house for me and I for fight.
Your plan crappy. They might enjoy each other and they might laugh for me.
Who you invite?
Maya.
You too lie. Shanté, you hate her like that.
Well, they might laugh with each other though.
Just bring up something from them past, and them will hate each other in no time.
Thank you.
I never really bring Maya at the party for you and I fight, but just the way you know how it feel, and cause you always bring Alia and same even on me, I was going to say me and I don't agree.
You know, say now in a sense right now, you're just a liar. Liar.
You know, so I'm gonna leave and end up with my face, I'm gonna thump you down. Thump me down.
You're not thump me down, get in not thump me down.
I can't believe I ever thought that you were my friend.
Me too. Bad choice.
You know what? You see, we just done with it. So you don't see me, you don't say nothing to me.
Fine by me. You're not a friend, you're a fake friend. And I don't need fake friends.
Oh, please.
I'm dreaming. This is what summer's all about. Girls in bikinis walking out. Drinks in my hand, toes in the sand. This is our world.
Wait there, why we are going this? We can't understand we are and watch some TV.
It need for go. If you don't know where you want to stay in the house every day for. Come on. Come now. Guess who we just see? Who? I can't hear you. Oh! Shanté. Really? Yeah, you know what? Come go up the tour.
No, you're mad. Where y'all go?
Was for the day, cause I'm not playing. This is no game. I hope you're praying. I know you wanna.
I need to talk to you.
Why?
I mean, they go coming up shortly. And when you treat something, you know, say automatically in the pan, spinning drop. And then
we are there. I want to Shanté, not you.
And who she a talk to?
Obviously you, dumbass.
And who you call dumbass? What ya? The girl dumb.
All you sweet think you cute, you know.
Of course, she better looking than you. You look like Medusa.
No, but you're bright. You can't talk to me. You look good? No.
Look at you, yeah.
Look at me, but you don't look good.
So are you still right here? So you won't stink.
You can't just stop talking to me.
You still right here. You don't touch me. No, you are touching me. Stupid, you need to try that. You need to shut up. You need to buy
What is rock up this right here, so?
So I wish she a better business where you
No, you have to
You need to shut up.
come on for me. We are
You need to shut up.
excuse me.
Shut up.
of the people them will pay if you come watch out. No too diary. Alright, so yeah. But that's how the Bible is don't know the thing going on. Something then say, I ever go on, big up all the people them with them smartphone. But remember this, you have a smart with your phone. Press and then over your go find your phone. Same time the best come up. Then all the things they get phone. Tell them left out that.
Jamaican girl, we better than the next girl.
Yeah, bleach.
Oscar, I'm a kid.
Can I look passionate about share bleach?
Alright, when you come inside, you just born like with an understand.
So what happened at the concert last night?
I should have invite us to it.
I know Mama not say a word to her.
But they can invite me, you know, I never know so I have clothes.
Don't get bright, girl.
But wait there. Tell me, come here say you and Maya got into it.
Make people so fast, man. Typical Jamaican.
So the one Maya go with now, still ugly?
Even uglier than usual. You want social media wear? Oh my god. Get a trash.
What I did? I think me have big on the eye. I want to do something big here.
Hey Ashley. Girl, let's just move here.
Move back.
Hey
move
Ashley,
back.
welcome to our review.
Move back. Move back. Move back now.
Are you adjusting well? Where are you from originally?
Oh, you're all up in the girl business, so no fee.
Well, I'm adjusting really well. I kind of like it here and I'm from Montego Bay.
Well, I'm Shanté and she's Ali Rodney.
I never asked for introduce me.
Alright, finish.
Nice meeting you, Shanté. Not so.
I really want to know what happened at the concert.
We were having a lot of fun until this unattractive, poorly dressed girl approached us.
Yes, Maya. That dirty girl.
Maya? That's a name for pretty people. She looks like a Gertrude.
Jesus, take the wheel.
Shall I pass her place with me? I have to make her know that I'm not the one. Me make her face more deformed than white already. Don't play with me! Who's Charnelle?
Maya is always Maya. Looking for trouble.
Yeah, I know this, but I think you should still try to make peace with her.
Why?
You guys are really close now. Why throw away friendship for prettiness?
Who cares?
Don't listen to Alia.
Who's Charnelle?
The girl you call Pepto-Bismol, man.
Oh, that girl there? I don't like her. She's so stupid.
May I be big friend? Sure that?
Okay then. She just enough. She just sick my stomach.
I think you should talk to her.
That would be me being nice. Being nice takes too much energy out of me.
Go chat to her.
I'll think about it.
I can't believe I'm last night though.
I'm up to tell about it.
What happened? What really did happen?
To be honest, I really don't remember what happened.
Try remember.
The competition there, I'm so fast, I couldn't even remember.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Seriously, Maya?
So well, I went to Shanté to ask if I speak to her outside.
Yeah.
And our major green arm friend, I follow behind her way. Look how much more for $1,000 for buy a proper deodorant. After I'm up there talk to Shanté, she did there butting every minute and I go with that bag of things. Me I say, boy, the girl can't keep calm. Someone else, guy. Why are you here? She'll call me a
What?
Yeah, then she pushed me. It's a good thing for you come. Because I was this close to knocking her out.
Wow.
Look like she see one cup for she love. Because nobody love to fight me. Maya Aj. She knows me bring one gun now one knife fight. Me ever ready for war.
You know, Shanté, they called me today and she said she wanted to talk. I came out of the argument.
You want me forward?
No, I can't handle it.
You sure?
Positive.
You be there telling me that last time, you know?
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did. You, Ali, and Shanté never ran for done me.
You had it coming though.
What?
You love pick power, you love chat with, but that's all in the past. I'm over all of that. We really need to talk to Shanté and I really need to sort out things. I miss her.
No, I don't know why though.
Because she's a good person. Despite of her dirty ways, she's loyal and real.
You know how I feel about Shanté already. But if you feel like this one-on-one talk will help to resolve things, I'm all for it.
I think it will.
Come stop the bag of chatting. I'm hungry now. Where the food there?
Come in, we have enough things to talk about.
Jamaican gal, me better than a next gal.
Make we just dash it small time. I don't have time for foolishness. Just keep it real with me. And if you can't, don't make the door hit you on the way out.
Excuse you, I'm here wondering what happened to us.
Me too, we used to be friends.
That's on you.
Me?
And you attacked me.
No, I didn't.
Over crap.
Didn't say I apologize about that little incident.
What apology? Me not get apology from you.
The text that Alia sent me, she was just joking.
And I was upset. You called me a liar and first thing you come from this like you want to beat me.
Oh my God. Just forget about that now.
If somebody do the same thing you do to me, that probably slip them throat.
I'm sorry.
We just say?
I'm sorry.
Gotta come. Shanté just apologize to me. Gotta come.
Now that we're over that, why you want to gully creep a slat talk?
Who that? Oh Maya, she's a nice girl, you know.
I see you desperate for friends. The girl literally dragged me a party just to talk to me.
I told her not to do it.
And then you come pointing at my face?
Just forget about that little incident. You're besties!
Come, Gaia. Go on here.